women are here to stay.
It was 2012 at CU when Ruth Bader Ginsburg dropped one of her famous lines.
And when I'm sometimes asked, when will there be enough? And I say, when there are 9 people.
CU law professor and fellow Harvard Law alum Aya Gruber was in that crowd.
The impact on somebody like me is immeasurable.
This weekend, she's been reflecting on the legal giant who blazed a trail for her. A trail that began in 1972 with a Denver bachelor named Charles Moritz, who wanted a tax deduction for caring for his ailing mother.
At the time, the IRS regulations only permitted married men who had a disabled wife or widowers who were taking care of kids to claim dependency status, assuming that it was the women who took care of dependents.
But Moritz was a man, and a tax court denied his appeal.
Ruth Bader Ginsburg and her husband, Marty, were looking for a test case to get basically federal courts and eventually the Supreme Court to recognize a constitutional prohibition on sex discrimination.
This was it. Ginsburg and her husband got support from the ACLU, argued that case before the 10th Circuit Court of Appeals, and won. An ironic case that was the inspiration for the RBG biopic, On the Basis of Sex.
The notorious RBG is thought of as the champion of women's rights. And in fact, this was a case where a man was alleging sex discrimination.
Gruber says the Moritz case created arguments that would be used in gender discrimination cases for years to come. Steve Steger, 9 News.